Hi friends, I'm Benoflin Sam. Your captain is here. So today I'm going to discuss about questions on complex number. Well, last time I posted a video called Theory of Complex Number from my IOQM only. So from there only I'm going to do from operations. And next time I will teach square roots now here only. And then next time I will tell polar equation. Okay. So like stay tuned, okay, for this one. So get your notebooks ready. So we will do every questions for this, okay? Prepare it. Okay. So the question one. Question one. You also have to solve from me only, okay? With me. Okay. So if z is equal to, I'll take my notes off, is equal to 2 minus I square plus 7 minus 4I by 2 plus I minus 8, then express z as answer standard version. Alright. So in this question, they asked to express as standard version, aka z is equal to a plus ib. Okay, I have to form it like this. So we will solve it. So if you want to solve by yourself, pause it and you can solve it. No ChatGPT and no Meta AI and no Google Lens. So we will do a solution. Okay, a solution. So we can take as z, like z is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 4i, right? Minus 4i, okay, plus we're going to multiply here 7 minus 4i by 2 plus I, multiply 2 minus I on both meters, then minus 8. Okay, this is the first step we're going to do. So z is equal to 3 minus 4i plus, if you do this means this also simplify, right? So if you simplify means you will get as 14 right, minus 7i minus 8i and minus minus 4 is coming out because minus 4i into I minus I will be plus and I square is equal to minus 1. Like this I am doing it, okay? So you have formed like this by 4 plus 1 minus 8. So we can take here as z, I'll do another way, okay? Z is equal to 3 minus 4i, okay? 3 minus 4i minus 8 plus, if we multiply means we will 10 minus 15i by 5. Okay, if you take common for 5, we can cancel, we get as z is equal to 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 minus 4i plus 2 minus 3i. Okay, so answer is coming, z is equal to minus 3 minus 7i. This is the correct answer for this question, okay? So have you got this question? If you got the answer, comment it, okay? Okay, we'll go next question. Okay. This is an interesting question, okay? You have to use like from everything, okay? That's an interesting question and has lots of steps, okay? Question number 2. Question number 2. Find x and y. This is and symbol, okay? And symbol. If okay, x minus iy into 3 plus 5i is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24i. So this is very interesting question. So we will solve this question. Okay. So this question asked to find is x and y. So conjugate of this means I already told you the conjugate of this means it's a minus ib. So if you take this means you will get minus 6 plus 24i. So okay, so we'll do this one. So if you multiply it like this, you will get as 3x plus 5xi minus 3yi and plus 5y is equal to minus 6 plus 24i. Okay, so you're going to take this one as like this, 3x plus 5y and plus I into 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 6 plus 24i. So if you took means, then we can take as 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6, equation 1, and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24, equation number 2. So I am telling means this is coming, this one coming. So that's why I'm telling. So you have to take this as same. So you can take as into 5 into 3. Okay, we'll do it. If you multiply this means, then you will get 9x, okay, plus 15y is equal to minus 6 into 5. Yes, this one. Minus 30. Then if you multiply 3 means you get as 15x minus 15y is equal to 25 is equal to 24 into 3 is equal to 70 something coming. 70 something coming now. How is it possible? Get this as 2. 72. 72 coming out. 80. Okay. Sorry. I messed wrong. Minus 80 and 120. This is how you mess, okay? I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. So you add means addition. And you will get 34x is equal to minus 18 is equal to 1. 102. So if you multiply 34 both sides, then you will get 102 multiplied by 34 is equal to 2. So yeah, 2 3. X is equal to 3. So we can take as in equation 1, 9 plus 5y is equal to minus 6. So if you minus 9 both sides, you get 5y is equal to minus 15. So if you divide 5 both sides, then get y is equal to minus 3. So pretty right. So you got the answer as, sorry, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. This is how to solve it, okay? So your homework, I'm going on homework, okay? You have to solve by yourself. That's a very easy question. Just don't think like this, okay? Very easy. Homework is solve 1 minus 2i by 3 plus 4i minus r. Yes, minus 2 plus I by 5i. So you have to answer and answer in a comment section. So I'm going to end this video. You have to solve this question, okay? Just what I thought in first question, like this you have to do it, okay? So make sure you like, subscribe and share, okay? So thank you. Have a great day.